Battle! Pull! Oh! Woo! Yeah! Woo-hoo-hoo!
We sing happy birthday to you, and may all your dreams come true.
Happy, happy birthday!
This is your birthday song.
Celebration all night long.
May all your dreams come true.
We sing all together. Happy birthday to you.
Hi Papa, happy birthday to you. On this occasion, I want to say I love you a lot. I've seen you play many roles. I've seen you as a fatherly figure at Dadi's house, and I've seen you as an elderly son at Nani's house. You are a very kind-hearted person, and I want to be just like you. You have pampered me a lot. Though Mama does not like it, please continue it. I'm sorry for all the times I've disappointed you. I'm blessed to be your daughter. You're the best. I love you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you, dear Papa. You are the best Papa in the world. No, you are the best Papa on this universe. I love you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे। आज मैं बहुत खुश हूँ। 40 वर्ष हो गए तेरे को मेरे जीवन में आए हुए। जिस दिन तेरा जन्म हुआ था उस दिन मुझे बहुत खुशी मिली थी, और इन 40 वर्षों में भी तूने मेरे को जीवन की सब खुशियाँ दी हैं। तूने मेरे को जीवन की सब खुशियाँ दी हैं, और आज तू जिस लेवल पे है उसके लिए मुझे बहुत अपने आप पे गर्व होता है कि मैंने ऐसे बेटे को जन्म दिया। और तूने मेरे जीवन में हर सुख दुख में मेरा साथ दिया है। पापा के जाने के बाद तूने ही मेरे को सहारा दिया, जो आज मैं इस उस पे पहुंची हूँ, और तेरे ही वजह से ही आज गौरव भी बहुत ऊंचाइयों पे है। गौरव से भी मेरे को बहुत खुशी होती है, उसने अपनी सब जिम्मेदारियाँ संभाल रखी हैं। आज के समय में मेरे लिए किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी नहीं है। मेरे सब बच्चे बहुत मेरा साथ देते हैं, और बचपन में भी तुम लोगों ने बहुत मेरा साथ दिया। जो मैंने अपना परेशानियों भरा जीवन बड़े आराम से काट लिया, और अब तो मेरे को किसी तरह की कोई परेशानी नहीं है। मगर बस अब मैं थोड़ा तेरे को कभी मिस करती हूँ, पर जब मैं तेरे फ़ोन पे तेरी आवाज़ सुनती हूँ तो मेरे को बहुत खुशी होती है कि आज मेरा बेटा किस मुकाम पे बैठा हुआ है।
Happy birthday, Rahul. Today, I just want to let you know that you mean a world to me. You have fulfilled all my dreams and tried to get whatever I want. You are my best friend and a guide, a man in whom I take a pride. Though we fight at times, but we quickly make up. We share our dreams over a teacup. At times, life lets me down, but I know that you are always there to pull me up. I'm blessed to be your wife and lucky enough to have you in my life. Once again, have a wonderful day and a very, very happy birthday.
Hello. Happy 40th birthday, our son-in-law like you. May everything that makes you happy be always yours today, tomorrow and always. May God bless you with good strength, health and wealth, so that you can keep your family happy. You are not a son-in-law, you are son to me. Thank you. Happy birthday once again.
Happy birthday, and I wish you good health and prosperous life. Krishan.
हेलो राहुल, जन्मदिन की बेटे बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। बहुत खुशी है तेरे जन्मदिन की, और लाइफ में तुम हमेशा हंसते मुस्कुराते रहो, खुश रहो। बस मेरी यही भगवान से प्रार्थना है।
रोमी, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारकें। वृंदावन ठाकुर जी से यही कहूँगा कि जल्दी अपने घर वापस आओ।
भाई, जन्मदिन की बहुत बहुत मुबारक हो। तूने हमेशा हमेशा हमारा सबका साथ दिया है। तेरा साथ ऐसे लगता है कि हमेशा एक मेरे को कॉन्फिडेंस रहता है कि कभी भी मुझे कोई दुख हो तकलीफ हो तो मेरा एक भाई हमेशा मेरे सिर पे खड़ा हुआ है। कभी भी कोई दुख तकलीफ आती है, मुझे कभी भी ज़रूरत पड़ती है तो मुझे कॉन्फिडेंस होता है मैं मुंह भर के अपने भाई से कुछ भी मांगूंगी तो मेरा भाई मेरे लिए हाजिर कर देगा और मेरे लिए तन मन धन से मेरे सिर पर खड़ा रहेगा, मेरा साथ निभाएगा और तूने हमेशा मेरा साथ निभाया है। तो तेरी सबसे अच्छी आदत ये लगती है कि तू सबसे कम बोलता है कि ताकि कहीं ऐसा लफ्ज़ ना निकले तेरे मुँह से कि तेरी वजह से किसी का दिल दुखे। बड़ा सोच समझ के तू बोलता है। और मुझे सबसे ज़्यादा तेरी बचपन की याद आती है। जब भी मैं परांठे बनाती थी तो तू कहता था दीदी पहले तू मेरे को बना के खिला दे, फिर तुझे मैं हमेशा गरम गरम खिलाऊंगी। मैं जब भी आज भी परांठे खाती हूँ तो मेरे को सबसे ज़्यादा तेरा वो वाला प्यार याद आता है। ईश्वर तेरे जैसा भाई सबको दे और ईश्वर तेरी बहुत लंबी उम्र करे और तेरी सेहत ठीक रहे। बस तू इंडिया आ जाए।
Again, happy birthday भैया and best of luck in your future. Thank you.
हेलो।
Happy birthday भैया।
हैप्पी बर्थडे भैया। क्या हाल है, कैसा है? ठीक है। और तू 40 साल का हो गया है तो हमने सोचा कि शायद अपनी तरफ से तुझे एक मैसेज भेजें और अच्छा लगा है। 40 साल एक तूने माइलस्टोन है, एक तरह से तू पहुंचा उस पर और बड़ी खुशी होती है देख के कि तू एक बहुत ऊंची ऊंचाइयों पहुंचा और बड़ा अच्छा भी लगता है, प्राउड फील करते हैं। हम बताते हैं मेरा भाई है तो बड़ी खुशी होती है। और तूने ज़िंदगी में बहुत कुछ किया मेरे लिए, अपना मम्मी के लिए, इस घर के लिए और इस सेक्टर में शायद हमें लगता है तो टाइम नहीं दे पाता हमें, बट ठीक है तूने बहुत सेक्रीफाइस भी किए हैं अपनी ज़िंदगी में और तूने हमेशा मेरे को कभी फादर की कमी फील नहीं होती और मैं तुझे उसी जगह पे रखता हूँ हमेशा कि तू मेरे फादर के जैसे ही है और मुझे कोई दिक्कत होती है तूने मुझे हमेशा सॉल्यूशंस दिए हैं। तो बहुत ही अच्छा फील होता है कि मेरे ऊपर कोई है, कभी टेंशन नहीं ली मैंने इस चीज़ की। और भगवान यही चाहूँगा भगवान से कि तेरी आयु और लंबी हो, तू 100 साल का हो और हम ऐसे ही सेलिब्रेट करें और हमेशा मिलजुल के रहें सारे भाई बहन और मम्मी की सेवा करें।
Hello, Mesa. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Mesa. May God bless you. May God bless you, we pray. Happy birthday, Mesa.
Well, they say men become naughty when they are 40, but I think, Rahul, in your case, it's near impossible. I have seen you past many years now, and I think this phrase definitely is not applicable on you. But you reached 40, and this is the next phase of life. I wish you all the very best. May God shower a lot of success and big opportunities come your way. Be healthy, be successful. I wish you all the best for your future endeavors. Many, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your stay in US and enjoy yourself. Thank you.
A very happy birthday to you, Jiju. I wish you a lot of good luck and happiness ever, good health. And I know you for more than 10 years now, so I would like to describe you in my own way. I find you the most respectful, admiring, humble, understanding and lovable person. We wish you again a lot of good luck and happiness in life.
Many, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy yourself. Thank you.
What they
Bye.
said. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you.
Bye.
Happy birthday to you.
Happy birthday, dear Rahul.
Happy birthday to you.
A very happy birthday, Mamu.
Always stay blessed.
Keep smiling.
Have a wonderful year ahead.
And many more to come.
Hope to see you soon.
Thank you.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Congratulations.
हेलो ताऊजी, हैप्पी बर्थडे, हैप्पी बर्थडे। हम आपको बहुत करते हैं जैसे कि अनवे प्रीशा दीदी और आपको भी ताई जी को भी सबको करते हैं।
कैसे आऊं? पॉज करके इधर आ जाओ।
Happy birthday to you.
हैप्पी बर्थडे राहुल जी।
Hi Rahul, many happy returns of the day. Gives me a great pleasure to wish you a happy birthday through this video. I still remember and cherish our moments that we had spent in C. Dot and Hughes and in Agilent. Especially in C. Dot when you and all of us joined together and gave a great sense of relief to our seniors Alpana ji, Anuradha and Padmakar, A.K. Singh, so that they felt that these new Bakras will take over from them. But honestly, I think you were the hardest worker among us, all of us, most sincere among us, and you have carried these traits all along with you throughout your career and in your personal life as well. Wish you all the best again for your birthday, and enjoy with your family. See you soon. Bye.
Hi Rahul, wish you a very very happy birthday. So it's hard to believe you're 40 now. We met around 11 years back, and I still feel you are the same young energetic person that you were at that time. So it's very different when you are around. So you bring so much of passion and energy with you in everything you do. So all the lazy people like us, so we also feel motivated and energetic. So it's a I just wanted to say we all really miss you here. So
भाई कैसा है पहचाना? So first of all wish you happy birthday. सुना है 40 साल का हो गया है. शर्मा मत यार, 22 दिन पहले अपना भी यही हाल था. अब तो बाल सफ़ेद होने लगे हैं, तेरे तो खैर उड़ भी गए हैं. But seriously, it has been my privilege since last 22 years to have you as a great friend of mine. I wish you all the success in coming future for you, and you will surely achieve whatever you want to, because you have been a great human being. So keep it up, Rahul. Best of luck. Enjoy your life for the fullest. Whenever I'll have next trip to US, I will surely meet you. Bye. Enjoy.
Hi Rahul, happy birthday. Wish you very very happy returns of this special day. I know you from last 4 years, and your dedication and determination always inspire me. It is always fun to work with you. Again, happy birthday to you, and all the best for another great year in your personal and professional life.
Hi Riya, happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Uncle.
Oh, hi Rahul.
Hi Rahul, happy birthday.
Happy birthday and many happy returns of the day. Enjoy your day.
Have fun. Bye. Take care.
Hi Rahul, I would like to wish you a very happy 40th birthday. On your 40th birthday, I would like to cherish the moments which we enjoyed together and moments which we have touched me. So you have been always there for me to help, be it as a professional front or the personal front. So how can I forget the bangan bharta cooked by Auntie Ji, which you used to bring me specially like for me. So that shows how much you care for your friends, and you also helped me in resolving my queries on the ISUP while watching a movie in theater. I mean, come on, how can you master things so well that even in theater you enjoy them sharing? So I mean, and there is one more incident which touched me a lot. So when you actually broke your savings for me to help in my sister's wedding. So not many people can do that. So I remember when we planned together a trip to Bangalore from Delhi, and we had a great fun together, and I hope you still remember those kids we met in the train. So and you have been also instrumental in placing me in Bangalore. So So that was a turnaround time in my career. So you also helped me and guided me when I took a management role in the startup company, and whatever your suggestions, all your guidance actually helped me a lot to prove me in a new company, and I got a lot of appreciation in that company. So I would like to just say that you are such a caring friend and always ready to help people, help your friends beyond your boundaries. So I'm blessed to have a friend like you. Thanks for everything, and may God fulfill all your wishes. Have a peaceful, healthy and a wealthy life. And finally, I would like to thank Vandana for including me to be part of this surprise gift to you. Thanks a lot. Bye.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, अरे बोलो happy birthday, इससे बोलो happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday.
Hi Rahul, wish you a very happy birthday. Yesterday we celebrated birthday of Deepthi and today we are celebrating your birthday. Hope you have a wonderful time this time. Though we are miles away, but you will never be far away from our heart. Wish you a very happy birthday once again, both from myself and Deepthi. A big hug from a very long distance to you. Goodbye.
Wish you a very happy birthday, Rahul.
May God bless you with a long and blissful life.
Happy birthday, Rahul!
We miss you all. We miss you.
राहुल जी नमस्कार। आपको 40वें जन्मदिन की ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। ये बड़ी खुशी की बात है कि आपने ज़िंदगी के 40 सावन देख लिए, 40 दिवाली देख लिए, और भी ना जाने कितने दिवाली देखना है, ज़िंदगी के कितने ऊंचाइयों पर चढ़ना है। हम लोग अक्सर आपके बारे में बातें करते हैं कि आपके जैसा सत्यनिष्ठ, ईमानदार और इतने सज्जन इंसान बहुत कम देखने को मिलता है। आपके साथ पुराने दिन, बीते हुए दिन, आपके साथ लंच जो हमने किया, जितने अच्छे अच्छे खाना खाए, ठीक है, अक्सर हम लोग बातें करते हैं, याद करते हैं और वाकई मिस करते हैं। हम लोग चाहते हैं कि आप इसी तरह ज़िंदगी की ऊंचाइयों पर चढ़ते रहिए, ऊंचे सीढ़ियों पर चढ़ते रहिए और नए नए लक्ष्य आप प्राप्त करते रहिए। आपको एक बार फिर हम लोगों की तरफ से ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। विशिंग यू अ वेरी हैप्पी बर्थडे। बाय बाय।
जी जैकी जी की हालचाल है? Many happy returns of the day. Wishing you a very very happy birthday and brighter future ahead in yours. इतने घर आया आज काफी दिनों के बाद। मैं वही जगह देख रहा था जहाँ हम बैठ के पढ़ते थे और अपना डिस्कशन वगैरह करते थे। बहुत अच्छा लगा, आंटी से मिले, काफी टाइम हो गया। मैंने कहा भाई अपना नहीं है, चलो अपना मिलना बनता है। आज सुबह गौरव का फोन आया था, मुझे लगा नहीं यार आज ही जाएंगे, आज ही लैंड करेंगे घर। चलो बाकी सब ठीक ठाक है, सब बढ़िया, हम भी सब बढ़िया रहो। कीप इन टच, टेक केयर, गॉड ब्लेस।
Hello Rahul, wishing you a very happy birthday. You are one of the nicest persons I know on this planet. You helped everybody, including me, at times. We miss you a lot in HCL, and see you soon. Take care. Have a blast on your 40th birthday. Thank you. Bye.
Hello Rahul, wishing you a very happy 40th birthday. Knowing Rahul for the last 12 years or so, I can say that Rahul is a very trustworthy friend and a truly genuine person. He's always there to help you when you need him for any assistance or any guidance. I consider myself very lucky having worked with him and that I share a unique camaraderie with him. I wish him all the best for the future and hope he continues to scale new heights. Once again, wishing you and everybody a very happy birthday.
Hi Rahul, happy birthday. Many happy returns of the day.
So it has been almost 20 years we spent together. We started a career with zero, then spent time together in Harrison. It gives a different feeling to have friends for like you. So if you look at the back, I'm standing in front of the Harrison, where we spent our peak of the career together in armchair practice. Here we had shared memories of some things which were making us proud. We bought our first apartment here. You helped me a lot. You pushed me a lot. So it was only your push and your help that I am staying in my own house. So thank you again. So today we are a little far, but very close in our heart, in our relationships. Again, many happy returns of the day. Enjoy, have fun. Send us some pictures. Thank you. Bye bye.
Hey Rahul, happy birthday. Hope you're doing good in your new role. Still remember the days we had when you used to call us every time. It was a pleasure working with you. I still don't forget the time in office or when I was driving home and I was at home. You used to call. But those are the fun days. We liked working with you. So hope you're doing good in your new role and all the best. Keep in touch. Cheers.
Hi Rahul, wish you a very happy birthday. Still remember the RSP times when we were doing performance benchmarking. We used to come on Saturdays and sending emails on daily basis, day and night. We used to work to make things happen, and I really memorized those times and wish you all the best.
Hi Rahul, very happy birthday to you. It was a very wonderful experience to work with you. Your comments, your comments were very valuable for the team and for me also. All the best and good luck. Thank you.
Many happy returns of the day. It was like good time to work with you. Like I spent lot of time in the probes like CDM, MQ, WebSphere, and there were a lot of issues, but still like your support was commendable, and thank you so much.
Hi Rahul, कुछ होता है तुम नहीं समझोगे. Well, jokes apart, but when I joined this group, you had been already talk of the floor all the time, and you still are, and definitely some people truly miss you here, and wishing you a very happy birthday. Thank you.
I remember you had made lot more cases, and I wish you a very happy birthday and all the best.
Wish you a very happy birthday. I just remember we have just one demo interaction with you. Wish you a very all the best for your future.
Hello Rahul, wish you a happy birthday. Hope you are enjoying your life, your new role, new place, new team, everything. I still remember the days when we were testing ICMP bulk config, and you were constantly in call with me and Saurabh and Gautam on 31st December. And there are so many memories, the same kind of memories. You're calling and coming to the desk, asking queries. So many things are about there to talk about. But to cut the short, happy birthday, wish you all the best. Bye.
Hi Rahul, wish you many returns of the day and congratulations for new role in new countries. I'm still memorized for the setup, creating the setup lab and everything and working out there. And the good time to work with you. So all the best. Again, wish you very happy returns of the day.
Happy birthday, Rahul.
खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना, खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना, खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना। ऐ दिल लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना,
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना।
हम तुम यूं ही मिलते रहे, महफिल यूं ही सजती रहे,
बस प्यार की यही एक धुन हर सुबह शाम बजती रहे।
गले में महकता रहे प्यार भरी बाहों का हार क्या कहना,
खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा
गुल गुलजार क्या कहना।
ऐ दिल लाया है बहार अपनों का प्यार क्या कहना।
मिले हम छलक उठा खुशी का खुमार क्या कहना, खिले खिले चेहरों से आज घर है मेरा गुल गुलजार क्या कहना,
खिले खिले चेहरों